In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add browser URL allow list in Google Antigravity IDE. So first, of course, launch the Antigravity application on your computer. Then next, at the top menu, click on Settings or gear icon. Then select Open Antigravity User Settings. Now, once inside, in the left panel, switch over to Browser tab and navigate to the Allow List section. So here under the browser URL allow list, as you can see, the local host has already been added, but you can add more by pressing the add button. And now here you basically just need to enter the full website address you want to allow. So you can add it something like this and make sure that you include the correct HTTPS format or something like www.google.com. And once done, simply press enter. And that's it. So thank you for watching this video and see you again on the next one.